From birth to death, what's the story of the sun's life? Let's rewind time to about 4.6 billion years ago. Somewhere in the Milky Way galaxy, there was a giant cloud full of gas and dust. Gravity started pulling things together, making the material clump up more and more. When it got dense enough, the center collapsed in on itself, a gravitational collapse. As the mass and temperature increased, nuclear fusion started. That's like a giant, powerful fire igniting. And just like that, the young sun was born. At this time, the sun was still surrounded by leftover stuff from its formation. This leftover material, also pulled together by gravity, bumping, colliding, and clumping. That's how the early Earth and other planets formed. For the next 4.6 billion years, nuclear fusion has been happening non-stop inside the sun, making it brighter and brighter over time. And now the sun is in its middle age. Every second, the sun's core transforms matter into energy, radiating light and heat across space. If Earth is like a blank canvas, sunlight is like a paintbrush that can fill it with color. It's the energy from the sun that makes Earth such a lively and vibrant place. But nothing lasts forever. About 1 billion years from now, the sun will be 10% brighter. Temperatures on Earth will rise a lot. This will probably be the end for most life on Earth. The oceans will start to evaporate. Earth won't be a friendly place to live anymore. If humans are still around then, we'll probably have to leave Earth. About 5 billion years later, the sun will become a red giant star. As the hydrogen fuel in the sun's core runs out, the core, now made of helium, will shrink and heat up. This hotter core will cause hydrogen around it to fuse even faster. The extra heat will travel outwards, and the sun's outer layers will expand bigger and bigger. It will grow so large, it will swallow Mercury and Venus. Earth might not survive either. Maybe the solar system will only have 5 planets left. After the red giant phase, the sun's outer gas layers will drift away, until the sun dies completely, leaving behind only a superdense core. That core is called a white dwarf. It will still glow faintly, but it's the last time the sun will light up space. Then, over billions and billions of years, the white dwarf will slowly cool down, until it fades out entirely, becoming a black dwarf, a cold, dark object in space. And that's the end of the sun's story.